Me feel Jah spirit, me stand in awe. Me no walk like sheep, me walk like king. Me know me roots, me crown me bring. Babylon push fear, me push peace. Me burn them lies, me chant release. Me nah beg friend, me trust Jah way. Me blaze me path, me light me day. The lion no worry about them trap. Me heart beat dub, me soul stay strapped. Lion trod with head held high. Through smoke and storm, me still fly. Me no back down, me never stray. Me walk the roots, me walk Jah way. Me chant in rain, me dance in flame. Me nah look likes, me nah want fame. Me only want truth, me only want life. One draw of peace, no need for strife. Ganja is key, ganja a guide. Open me soul and clear me pride. It's not just smoke, it's meditation. A tool for break, manipulation. Me sit pan rock, me sight the tree. Me reason with leaves, them talk to me. Me grind it slow, me chant me line. Me give thanks, me feel divine. Me no lost in cloud, me find me mind. Me let go hate, me stay aligned. From Ethiopia to Jam down shore. Rasta chant, still strong, still pure.
Me fire burn from deep inside. Me no play small, me no run hide. Me carry touch from ancient time. Me lyrics real, me flow like rhyme. Me there for teach, not just perform. Me sing through silence, me ride the storm. Me voice a sword, me words a seed. Me plant the truth and uproot greed.
Lion walk through concrete street, but me steps still sacred, me heart still beat. Me light me chalice, me lift me soul. Me trod through life, fi reach Jah goal. Me nah stray, me nah bow. Me stand tall right here and now. Lion's way is path of flame. Me move with love, me chant Jah name. Me carry me locks like tree bear fruit. Me deep like sea, me firm in root. Me reason daily, me stay alert. Me protect me temple, me nah get hurt. Me know them system no one we rise, but Jah hide upon we look to skies. Me walk with earth under me feet. Me link with sun, me soul complete. Me travel the world, but me never last. Me carry Zion, whatever the cost. Me no need plane for reach me place. Me find it through prayer, through smoke, through grace.
So when you see me blaze and smile, know me fight war in a humble style. Me no raise gun, me raise vibration. Me bring one love for every nation. Lion asleep, lion just wait. For time for rise, for clean the state. Me walk with herb, me walk with drum. And me sing till kingdom come.
just weed, it's sacrament. A portal open, me soul ascent. Me nah run fast, me trod with grace. The mountain teach me Jah's own face. Underneath the cedar tree, me learn say freedom no come free. It's not just ganja in a my palm, it's balance, love and sacred calm. Me sight a lizard, watch me move. Even the creatures them feel the groove. Me wrap the leaf like ancient scroll and blaze a message from me soul. Me hear them say Babylon bright, but me prefer the moonlight night. Me nah need gold, me nah want praise. Me just need truth in a natural ways. Rasta na comfy entertain, me comfy cleanse the heart from pain. Me chant and burn the holy flame. Me nah play hype, me nah seek fame. Call up the mountain, echo strong through the smoke and sacred song. Me feel the wind, it carry me thought to Zion gate, me vision caught. Blaze the pipe, me mind expand. Me see Jah work in sea and land. Steam rise high like Rastaman prayer. It floats to Jah, yes, everywhere. Me sit in silence, eyes them low. Time slow down, me spirit glow. Me see string grind, me bread a light. Together we chant through the night. Me hear the Naya, bingy sound in every rock, in every ground. The rhythm natural, the bass is deep. Me meditate until me sleep. A journey start with barefoot step. Not in a city where hearts forget, but on the trail through roots and vine, where man and earth align divine. Me leave the stress of modern day and find me peace the Rasta way. A sip of tea, a touch of breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart find ease. Can you hear the mountain cry? It sing of love beneath the sky. It call me back to source and root, to plant me soul like sacred fruit. Steam and rhythm, dub and flame. Me rise in love, not just name. Call of the mountain, never lie. It's Jah who chant through breeze and sky. So me go with bag of herbs and heart of fire. Me trod up hills, me rise up higher. With one last draw and a humble sigh, me whisper Jah guide beneath the sky. Ay, 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 Rasta man inna the hood, yeah man. Them tell we say diamonds are shine, but me say give me the herb and sunshine. Gold and silver can't feed soul. Them build prison, me walk jaguar. Me not in a no Gucci cloth. Me wear me roots, me bond them fraud. Me step on earth barefoot and strong. Me sing for Zion, me chant me song. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me plant me seeds and wait for feast. Me na run race fi who a drive Benz. Me ride with them, me build from friends. Give me roots over riches, love over fame. Me trod with lion heart, me bun them shame. Inna the hills me smoke and pray. No mansion coulda buy me way. Me rich in spirit, me wealthy still. Cause Jah provide and guide me will. Me no need 10 chain round neck. Me need coconut and amateur. Me no beg like span social screen. Me live me life like reggae queen. Me sweep me yard, me grow me food. Me singing key, me change the mood. Me dep a mission, no competition. Me bring the healing, the real nutrition. From Portland coast to Kingston yard, me carry roots music like old postcard. Them try to sell culture like a brand, but me live it real hand to hand. Me wealth no lie in vault or bank. Me store it in rhythm in ganja plank. Me measure success by calm and joy. Me chant with elders, me build not destroy. Me write with ink of discipline. Me pen me life from deep within. Me no shame fi cry, me no afraid fi feel. Cause real Rasta man a move real, real. Give me roots over riches, truth over hype. Me sit in silence, me bun the mic. Me rich in faith, me filled with love. Me step on Babylon, rise above. Me wealth not fade like fashion way. Me trad with drum and smoke all day. One little spliff and me rising light. Me nah wait for no Friday night. Every day me reason with Jah. Me nah wait for stage or camera. Me cook ital with fire stick. Me sing ya bingy when rhythm kick. Me teach me youth about balance and breath. Me tell them money can't buy debt. Them system flashy but empty still. Me choose the mountain, me choose Jah will. Me heart is full, me belly fed. Me sleep in peace, no fear, no dread. So when you see me humble and calm, smoke and silence, God with me. Across the hills, across the sea, he made the empire man. Early down the fire lit, me roll a healing, me soul commit. One drop play, me spirit sway. Silence stuck in 1,000 way. Steam from cup, me mind feel clean. Me sight beyond what eyes have seen. Me no check phone, me check me breath. Me reason with life and dance with death. Smoke and silence blend like gold. In the breeze, me story told. One draw lift me far from stress. Me land in peace, me clothing blessed. It's not fi hype, not fi show. It's meditation, let it flow. No rush, no war, no fight. Just love and herbs and morning light. Me life no flashy, but me free. Me eat title, live simply. No meat, no lie, no toxic sound. Me ground with earth, me soul stay sound. Me not a twist like roots them deep. Me dream with eyes, me walk in sleep. Me study stars, me chant alone. Me dwell in silence, build me home. Me now wait for man to validate. Me walk through fire with righteous faith. Me know the plan bring ancient key to open doors them hide from we. Me look in mirror, see me king. Me voice now scream but still it sing. Me nah rebel, me just aware. Me speak with love but still me there. Smoke and silence guide me way. Through darkest night and brightest day. A liquor spliff, a gentle hum. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. It's not escape, it's revelation. It's love through smoke and meditation. Me sit and breathe, me float so high. Me talk with Jah inside me sky. Me no burn weed just fi joke. It's how me reason when we're choke. Me see how Babylon confused, but me choose nature, me choose roots. Me no need no badge or name on screen. Me need me peace, me keep it clean. Me born again each time me draw. Me write me psalms without the law. Me build me temple out a vibe. Me link with spirit, me soul revive. Rasta no preach, me live instead. Me keep it light, no heavy dread. Me show me youth another way. Feel live with truth each blessed day. Smoke and silence carry me across the hills, across the sea. Me sing for Jah, me praise with tone, but me strongest word is when me alone. Light up fire, inhale deep. Let go pain you try to keep. One love, one draw, one light. Zion echoes in the night. Sarat. Hey, a child hot in the bang, yeah man. Light up the chalice, me open me mind. The smoke rise up, leave the world behind. Inna the hills where the silence sing, me hear the call of the Rasta King. Me not chase riches, me chase vibration. Each puff a journey, each breath salvation. Me third eye open, me vision clear. Jah whisper truth, me long for hear. We fly high on a mystic plane, beyond the borders of worry and pain. Roots deep yet stars in sight. Lion guide we through the night. Mystic high, me soul take flight. Me chant in a darkness, me shine like light. In a the clouds, me spirit roam, but me heart always find home. Me burn the Babylon lies one by one. Let them fade like mist and the morning sun. Me levitate pan rhythm like leaf and stream. Each tone a portal, each bass a dream. Me dance with the ancestors, chant them name. Call them in circle, call them with flame. Smoke her like serpent, wisdom wide. Me inhale peace, exhale the pride. Me nah last, me just elevated, them call it high. Me call it sacred, is not the herb make you blind or slow. It's the world that lies bout what you know. So take a draw and close your eyes. Me show you lands beyond the skies. No passport, no plane, no ID card. Just ganja leaf and Jah as God. We fly high on mystic ride. Zion calling from deep inside. Rootsman vision, ancient code. Me carry the fire, me walk the road. Mystic high and it not fade. Me meditate where lions laid. Echo in a mind, thunder in chest. In the smoke me find me rest. Me nah fear death, me nah fear man. Me only fear fi forget Jah plan. So me chant, me write, me build again. A temple of dub in a heart of men. Me sip coconut under stars so wide. Me reason with moon, me nebula guide. The cosmos listen, me soul respond. Every rhythm a bridge, every note a bond. Lion fly through sky. Harp so sweet, me nah ask why. Truth in smoke, love in sound. Hung in a mystic high, me Jah is found. Yeah, Zion in the jungle. Yeah, transform. You ask me if me smoke or pray. Me tell you about every single day. You laugh like thunder, voice like stream. Since that moment me float in dream. Me high on love, not just the herb. You touch me spirit, not just me nerve. We levitate in timeless wave, like star on fire, Jah children brave. High on love, so naturally. You and I in harmony. No illusion, no disguise, just pure connection in your eyes. We roll one under ancient tree. You chanting tones that set me free. You speak of soul and sacred path. Me laugh so deep, me can't hold back. You move like rhythm in a naya bingi, like drums and winds in ceremony. Me hold your hand, me nah let go. You guide me where me heart can know. Love is not possession, love is flow. It burn like chalice in candle glow. We not own each other, but we align like planets dance in cosmic sign. You are the verse me never wrote. The bass line steady in a me throat. Each kiss a revolution true. Me see Jah light in loving you. Me high on love, and that's enough. Even when the road get rough, with you me rise, with you me fall. We answer only Zion call. Me high on love, pure and clean, more real than any TV screen. We blaze and float, two spirits one, forever dancing in a sun. We talk about life till morning dew. You whisper truths me never knew. Me write your name in clouds above. Me plant your smile like sacred dove. We sip from cup of roots and gold. We age together, never old. You and me, a mystic blend, not just a fling. This not pretend. I am love, not lust, not mask, not rush, but ancient flame, soul to soul, name to name. Me feel you even when you far, like ganja smoke and evening star. High on love, we travel far, in this life and every part. Yeah. Rasta man is so high. Yeah, man. Me rise up early, sun warm the face. Steam from me chalice in a sacred space. Me no rush life, me tread slow and wise. Watch the lion cloud dance across the skies. Every breath a blessing, every step a song. Me chant down Babylon, but me not dwell too long. Me spirit light like feather from bird. Jah whisper truth in a every word. Me sip roots tonic, feel earth in me vein. Nature talk deep, me can't explain. Me sight elders in a leaf and tree. Them teach me how to truly be free. Rootsman rising in a the misty morning. Blazing fire, smoke give warning. No chains for me soul, no fear in a eye. Me chant with the wind, me reason with sky. Rootsman rising higher each day, treading through the hills where spirits stay. Ital in a bowl, ganja in hand. Meditation strong, overstand the land. Them can't cage the lion with concrete wall. Me soul too wide, me spirit too tall. City Niles can't drown me thought. Me meditate deep in the truth me caught. Me no live for gold nor digital fame. Me life write scripture Jah no need no name. Me chant Selassie, I burn out vanity. Me walk with honor, pure integrity. Unity with hydrant, we share one plate. Me pass the herbs, me pass the faith. Babylon brings stress, them always in a race. But the Rasta walk slow, still win the pace. Mount Zion call me like drum in a night. Me spirit get wings, me vision get sight. No textbook teach this kind of feeling. Just ancient vibes and deep in a healing. Roots man not judge, me not condemn. Me just chant for the youth, them fi guide them again. Light up the fire, not just the spliff. Light up your mind, let the soul up. Rootsman rising in a the misty morning, blazing fire, smoke give warning. No chains on me soul, no fear in the eye. Me chant with the wind, me reason with sky. Rootsman rising higher each day, treading through the hills where spirits stay. I tell in a bowl, ganja in hand, meditation strong, overstand the land. Me remember youth days, confused and wild, but the herb teach me like a mother to child. Me learn to listen to me heartbeat drum, and me learn say peace don't come from gun. Me see Babylon glitter, but it all fake. Them build the system and lie and take, but Rasta man build life and give and grow. Me water the seeds, me watch them show. Me hold the reasoning under moonlight. Talk about Africa, justice and rights. Me say love is the law and freedom the goal. Me trod with Jah light, me nurture me soul. So me rise again like sunrise flame. Me nah play a role, me nah join no game. Roots man eternal, never done. Me walk with spirit, me shine like sun. And if them ask, what guide you so strong? Me say herb Jah and the Irish song. Me nah preach, me live, me nah fake it. Me roots run deep, no force can shake it. Them want fi rule, but them time soon done. The wicked them run when the trumpet sound. Them build them throne pan blood and gun, but Jah Kingdom rise, them can't tear down. Me see the ghetto youths them cry, me see the hungry belly, me hear the sigh. The leaders fake, them tell beer lie, but judgment near, the truth not die. Them sell out the land, them poison the sea. Them take what's ours, but them can't take we. Me chant for the sufferer, me chant for the free. Jah warrior strong, me move like tree. The roots run deep, it never shake. The system weak, it full up a fake. Me hold my faith, me never break. Jah open the door, me walk through the gate. Oh Jah, me call upon your name, guide me steps, keep me sane. We hold the light, we stand unchained. The righteous march, them can't restrain. Jah Kingdom come, it a shine so bright. The wicked fall when we chant all night. One love, one fire, the warriors fight. Babylon shake when we hold Jah light. Them try fi buy me soul, but me can't sell out. Them a push war, but me chant and shout. Them a spread fear, them a move in doubt. But Jah children strong, we turn things round. Me see the soldiers rise up tall. Them hear the call, them break the wall. Them can't hold down Jah children at all. The kingdom rise, it never fall. Me chant the psalms, me chant it loud. Me see the rain wash off the cloud. The wicked hide, them can't be proud. The trumpet blow, it shake the crowd. The fire blaze, it burn out lies. The righteous ones, them not disguise. The warriors march, them hear the cries. Jah love still rule, it never die. Stand firm, me say stand up wise. Lift up your voice, open your eyes. The truth still reign, it never disguise. Jah guide the way, no more goodbyes. Jah Kingdom Come, it a shine so bright. The wicked fall when we chant all night. One love, one fire, the warriors fight. Babylon shake when we hold Jah light. So me walk, so me chant, so me never stop. Jah blessings rain, me cup full up. No matter the fight, no matter the plot, the righteous rise, we reach the top. So me walk, so me chant, so me never stop. Jah blessings rain, me cup full up. No matter the fight. Ay, ay, yeah. Classy Pidarasi, oh, yo, yo. One Beatles, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above. With roots of Svetka and seeds of stars. Yaman Babylon calling, trying to make us fall. But we stand like mountains, proud and tall. In every heartbeat, I feel the fire. A spirit of freedom, pure desire. They may try to divide, to break us down. But love is a kingdom where we wear the crown. No man's a stranger, no one's alone. Together in unity, this world's our home. One Beatles, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above. With roots of Svetka and seeds of stars. In the eyes of a child, I see the light. A hope so pure, so warm, so bright. A dream of a world without fear or hate, where freedom rings and love is faith. Vitos, lift up your voice, let's make a sound. A melody of peace that shakes the ground. From the hills of Zion to the city streets, in the reggae rhythm, our hearts meet. And when the day breaks with golden rays, we give thanks and love, come what may. Through stormy skies and darkest night, just love and guidance keep us right. One Beatles, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above. With roots of Svetka and seeds of Valarka. So plant the seeds and let them grow in every soul. Let love flow. One world, one heart, a future bright. Zion echoes. So alive with this sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. Yeah, man, pull up once in the morning, sun peeking through. Grab me flip-flops and a cold drink too. Headed to the shore where the sea meets the sand. With me guitar in hand, life is oh so grand. Ay, 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 I met a girl named Luca with a smile so bright. She said join me for a swim, it feels just right. We dove in the water, splashing all around. In this moment, we both felt profound. Ayaya Island, dreaming, feeling so alive. With the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. Jamming later that evening under the starlit sky. Static dance to the music, just her and I. With the sound of the ocean and the fire's glow, we shared our dreams, let the good vibes flow. Lilka spoke of travel, adventures to seek. Vitas wanna see the world from mountain to peak. Vitas told her of my journeys across the wide sea. In this moment, we felt so free. Oh, life's a melody, we're writing the song. With every little heartbeat, we're where we belong. In the rhythm of love, we'll follow our fate. Together we'll wander, it's never too late. And Ayaya Island, dreaming, feeling so alive. With the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. The chains are break, the lion roar. Babylon can't hold we no more. The truth rise up, the herbs still grow. Forever Rasta Jah vibes we show. The chains are break, the lion roar. Babylon can't hold we no more. The truth rise up, the herbs still grow. Forever Rasta Jah vibes we show.
We low, but we still stand tall. Jah light in our heart, we nah go fall. The system full of chains, them build up the wall. But me spirit too strong, me hear Jah call. Me see the ghetto youth a fight fi survive. Them lock off the hope, but we still stay alive. Them want keep we blind, but we open we eyes. Jah children strong, we not compromise. Me hear the drums beat, me feel the vibration. Me chant pon the hill, me bring the salvation. Me speak for the youth, me heal the nation. Babylon can't stop, Jah foundation. Them push beer war, them push beer crime. Them a take what's yours, them a take what's mine. But righteousness stand the test of time. Jah give we the sign, the sun still shine. Oh Jah guide we step, protect we soul, nah make we forget. Rise up strong, me nah show regret. Me hold the faith, me spirit set. Rise up and stand tall, we nah back down. Jah warriors march, we wear the crown. One love, one fire, it spread all round. The truth still blaze, it can't cool down. Me see the hungry, me see the poor. Me see the ones where can't take it no more, but me tell them hold on, the blessing sure. Jah open the gate, me walk through the door. Them try to silence the voice of the youth. Them can't change history, them can't hide truth. The roots too deep, me stand pon the proof. Me chant out loud, me word bear fruit. Them talk about peace, but them move with war. Them sitting at the chair and them drive big car. While the ghetto man suffer, the youth live hard. But me know say one day, them judgment start. Me hold firm, me nah lose sight. Me chant pon the rhythm from morning to night. The lion inside, me spirit ignite. Me fight for the love, me stand for the right. Stand up, me say stand up, I lift up your voice, let Jah name fly. No more fear, no more cry. Jah light a shine in our sky. Rise up and stand tall, we nah back down. Jah warriors march, we wear the crown. One love, one fire, it spread all round. The truth still blaze, it can't cool down. So me walk, so me talk, so me hold me ground. Jah lift we up, me nah go drown. No matter the fight, no matter the sound. We bless, we strong, we hold Jah crown. Try to keep we low, but we still stand tall. Jah light in our heart, we nah go fall. The system full of chains, them build up the wall. But me spirit too strong, me hear Jah call. Me see the ghetto youth a fight to survive. Them lock off the hope, but we still stay alive. Them want keep we blind, but we open we eyes. Jah children strong, we not compromise. Me hear the drums beat, me feel the vibration. Me chant pon the hill, me bring the salvation. Me speak for the youth, me heal the nation. Babylon can't stop, Jah foundation. Them push beer war, them push beer crime. Them a take what's yours, them a take what's mine. But righteousness stand the test of time. Jah give we the sign, the sun still shine. Oh Jah guide we step, protect we soul, nah make we forget. Rise up strong, me nah show regret. Me hold the faith, me spirit set. Rise up and stand tall, we nah back down. Jah warriors march, we wear the crown. One love, one fire, it spread all round. The truth still blaze, it can't cool down. Me see the hungry, me see the poor. Me see the ones where can't take it no more, but me tell them hold on, the blessing sure. Jah open the gate, me walk through the door. Them try to silence the voice of the youth. Them can't change history, them can't hide truth. The roots too deep, me stand pon the proof. Me chant out loud, me word bear fruit. Them talk about peace, but them move with war. Them sitting at the chair and them drive big car. While the ghetto man suffer, the youth live hard. But me know say one day, them judgment start. Me hold firm, me nah lose sight. Me chant pon the rhythm from morning to night. The lion inside, me spirit ignite. Me fight for the love, me stand for the right. Stand up, me say stand up, I lift up your voice, let Jah name fly. No more fear, no more cry. Jah light a shine in our sky. Rise up and stand tall, we nah back down. Jah warriors march, we wear the crown. One love, one fire, it spread all round. The truth still blaze, it can't cool down. So me walk, so me talk, so me hold me ground. Jah lift we up, me nah go drown. No matter the fight, no matter the sound. We bless, we strong, we hold Jah crown. Them try to hold we down, but we rise up still. Jah give we the strength, and we climb the hill. Them a spread their lies, them a push bare ill. But the righteous a chant, and we not keep still. Me see the fire burn, me see the tables turn. Me see the wicked a run when the truth return. The system set trap, but we live and learn. Jah children strong and the blessings confirm. Me hear mama cry, me see the youth them lost. Them caught in a war, them a pay the cost. The leaders a smile while them soul get tossed. But the righteous win, no matter the frost. Me chant the psalms, me walk with pride. Me hold the faith, Jah upon me side. No fear in a me heart, no place fi hide. Me spirit too strong, it a deep inside. Oh Jah guide we way, light up the dark, keep the wicked away. Warrior spirit, me nah go stray. Me chant the truth, me live fi pray. Warrior spirit never fade, never break, never bow. We rise up strong and we stand up now. One love, one heart, we chant out loud. Babylon fall when Jah light show proud. Them try to buy we soul, but we not sell out. Them a push war, but we chant and shout. Them a take and take, but them soon run out. The real ones rise, them can't push out. Me see the world need healing, me bring the cure. Me step in at the battle, me heart so poor. Me fight for the truth, me stand up sure. Jah Kingdom rise, it a shine secure. Me see the lion roar in a darkest time. The trumpet a blow, it a judgment sign. The wicked them scatter, the righteous climb. Me tell every soldier, this a Jah time. Them a move like snake, them a whisper low. Them can't stop the light, so them fear the glow. The tree of life, it a grow and grow. The river of love, it a flow and flow. Bridge stand tall, me say stand up firm. Hold faith, hold love and learn. The fire inside, it a always burn. Jah guide we path at every turn. Warrior spirit never fade, never break, never bow. We rise up strong and we stand up now. One love, one heart, we chant out loud. Babylon fall when Jah light show proud. So me walk, so me march, so me never stop. The blessings flow and the cup full up. No matter the fight, no matter the plot, Jah warriors rise and we reach the top.
Ay, ay, ay. Tie punching at the chalice, yeah, man. Me walk on the sun with the breeze in on me face. The ocean whisper truths from a sacred place. No phone, no chains, no digital mind. Just me and Jah and the blessings me find. Me look to the hills where the rootsman trod. Barefoot in the earth, me connect with God. No preacher need tell me where truth reside. Me find it in silence where love can't hide. Jah knows I'm home, me spirit rest. In a the stillness, me heart confess. No gold, no throne, me seek no crown. Me rise with the sun, me lay me burden down. Jah knows me path through joy and strife. Me chant for peace, me live one life. Me roots within, me soul grown free. Me not last, Jah walk with me. Me sit on a rock and me reason inside. Me see me pain but me can't let it ride. Me burn some sage, me play Naya bingy drum. Each beat a reminder me strength come. This world full of noise but me choose sound. Of nature and love, not Babylon frown. Me chant in a silence, no need for stage. Me wisdom they deep like the words of a sage. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. All me need is the most I name. In a garden of life, me sow good seed. Me harvest peace, me reject greed. Every leaf tells story, every breeze a prayer. Just speak through the river, the fire, the air. So if you're lost, just listen close. The answer's inside where the heart bridge Jah knows I'm home, me soul is still. Me climb Jah mountain, me drink from the hill. No fear, no war, no system chain. Me live for love, not for gain. Jah knows me way, though road is long. Me carry truth in me humble song. Me roots within, me stand up tall. In a Zion me rise, me can't fall. Me hear children laugh and me heart rejoice. Me know Jah live in every vice. The lion and lamb shall lay down same. When man stop fight for fortune and name. The fire inside now blazing hate, but cleanse the lies and open gate. Me nah shout loud, me whisper calm. Me walk with peace, me hold me psalm.
Zion calling, me can't ignore. Hear the rhythm, me feel it more. The ancestors chant, them voice so clear. We trod the way, we know Jah near. Them want to lead we astray, but me know the way. Jah Jah show me the light, me kneel and pray. The river flow, the trees them sway. Me feel the spirit, me can't delay. The system falls, them tell them lie. But me see truth, me reach the sky. Me hold the love, me let it grow. The seeds we plant I go surely show. Zion calling, me can't refuse. We chant Jah name, we never lose. From the mountain top to the ocean deep. Jah Jah guide with my soul to keep. The journey long, the road so steep, but me not turn back, me soul now weep. We hold the vision, we set the pace. We know Jah love, we feel the grace. Them push we down, them try to chain, but we rise again, we break the strain. From generation to generation, we build the nation, one foundation. Zion calling, me can't refuse. We chant Jah name, we never lose. From the mountain top to the ocean deep. Jah Jah guide with me soul for keep. Oh, me heart a beat to the ancient drum. We forward still, we can't play dumb. We hear the prophecy, we feel the sound. We know the truth, we Zion bound. Me see the sunrise, me feel the breeze. The children laugh, the elders tease. The cycle turn, the message spread. We live for love, we nah go dread. We stand up firm, we hold with space. We move in love, we chant in grace. The wicked try, but them can't prevail. The ship set sail, we break the jail. Zion calling, me can't ignore. We hear the rhythm, me feel it more. The ancestors chant, them voice so clear. We trod the way, we know Jah near. Zion roots, oh, oh, oh. Hear me cry, Babylon fall, can't deny. Rasta rise, truth stand tall. Jah Jah rule over all. Them build the city, pan suffering. Them take from the poor,
can't govern them. Me see through them lies, me know the scheme. Babylon rule with wicked dream, but Rasta trod strong, we never weak. The truth of Jah, me always seek. No shackles pon me, me spirit free. We chant down Rome in a unity. Babylon must fall, the trumpet sound. Jah Jah judgment all around. From Zion heights, me see the day when the system fade away. Them poison the youth with the things them sell. Fast money, bad mind, lead them to hell. The children cry, them mothers wail. The fathers lost, them souls for sale. But Rasta know the righteous way. Me chant it loud, me never stray. Jah light a shine, me vision clear. Babylon fall, it draw near. Babylon must fall, the trumpet sound. Jah Jah judgment all around. From Zion heights, me see the day when the system fade away. Chant it high, chant it strong. Rasta youth, we can't go wrong. Hold the faith, the time is near. Babylon shake, them live in fear. Me see the fire, light up high. Jah Jah wrath, can't deny. The elders know, the prophets tell. The system sink, it can't rebel. So me chant till the morning come. Selassie I kingdom soon overcome. No longer we live in chains. Babylon burn down in flames. Babylon must fall, the trumpet sound. Jah Jah judgment all around. From Zion heights, me see the day when the system fade away. Oh, 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 hear me cry. Babylon fall, can't deny. Rasta rise, truth stand tall. Jah Jah rule over all. Zion roots. Oh, Jah Jah light never fade away. We shine bright like the morning ray. From east to west, from shore to shore. The blessing flow, me heart secure. Me rise in the morning, me give thanks and praise. Jah bless me heart, me spirit raise. The wicked try fi block me way, but me keep on trotting, me nah go stray. The struggle real, but me still hold firm. Me learn me lesson, me take me turn. No darkness can stop me flow. Jah light shine bright, me soul aglow. Jah light shine forever, never dim. Me walk with faith, me nah go sin. From deep in me heart, me know the way. Jah lead me through, me nah go stray. Them a come with them illusion. Me see through the tricks, me no confusion. Me chant me psalms, me hold the vibe. Me stay connected, me nah divide. Them want me silent, them want me weak, but me strong like the mountain peak. The spirit talk, me hear the call. Me stand up firm, me never fall. Jah light shine forever, never dim. Me walk with faith, me nah go sin. From deep in me heart, me know the way. Jah lead me through, me nah go stray.
stay strong. Me hold the faith, me trod along. Jah guide the youth, Jah bless the land. Me sing me song, me take me stand. Them spread the lies, them spread the fear, but love and truth are the anthem here. No matter what, me hold me line. The victory sure, this sun must shine. Jah never fail, Jah always near. Me lift me voice, me make it clear. Jah light never fade away. We shine bright like the morning ray. From east to west, from shore to shore, the blessing flow, me heart secure. Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots. Ooh, ah, yeah. Zion roots. Yeah, yeah, oh. Them try fi hold we down, but we still rise. The fire in our heart, you can't disguise. We trod through the storm, we feel the pain, but Jah bless we like falling rain. Them tell we hush, but we can't stay quiet. The people suffer, the system riot. The youth them lost, them seek the way. We chant the truth, we never stray. Me see the ghetto cry, me feel the strain. Me see me brethren locked in pain, but me know one day we break the chain. Jah light a go shine again. Rise up, stand tall, no bow down at all. The righteous a march, the wicked a fall. The truth a go shine, the darkness fade. Jah there, we never afraid. Rise up, all faith, the time is near. The people unite, we conquer fear. The lion roar, the trumpet sound. Babylon system tumble down. The leaders blind, them can't see the way. Them sell them soul fee, gold and pay. Them turn them back upon the suffering poor, but Jah open a brand new door. Me see the mothers cry at night. Me see the youths, them lose them light. But me tell them hold on, stay strong. The journey rough, but the road not long. Me trod pon the battlefield, me can't retreat. Me burn corruption, me burn deceit. The fire blaze, me spirit high. Me know Jah there, me can't deny. Rise up, stand tall, no bow down at all. The righteous a march, the wicked a fall. The truth a go shine, the darkness fade. Jah there, we never afraid. Rise up, all faith, the time is near. The people unite, we conquer fear. The lion roar, the trumpet sound. Babylon system tumble down. Them think we weak, them think we done, but Jah warriors can turn and run. We move like thunder, strong like sea. We chant the psalms, we set we free. The mountain high, the road it's steep, but Jah guide we, me soul keep. The victory near, me feel the sign. The righteous rule, we light up the time. Me see the world change, me feel the shift. The youth them wake up, them see the trick. No more chains pon we mind. We break free, we take with time. Me see the elders talk the truth. Them teach we how we guide the youth. The knowledge spread. The trumpet sound, me hear the call. The wicked shake, them kingdom fall. The Zion train, a comfy we. The righteous step in a victory. Them try to stop we, but we can lose. We dep on Jah mission, me not confused. Me see the warriors, me see them rise. We chant the psalms, we touch the skies. The ghetto youth, Them wake today, them see the system, them break away. No more chains, no more lies. We trot for Zion, we claim with prize. Zion train a roll, jump on board. The righteous move, the lion roar. The fire blaze, the trumpet sound. The walls of Babylon tumble down. Zion train a roll, no time for wait. We leave behind the wicked state. The sun arise, the blessing flow. The time is now, Jah make we grow. Me see them build, them tower high. Them try to block the morning sky. Them take the land, them take the sea. But Jah creation, always free. Them send them soldier, them send them cop. Them lock the people, them set them trap. But me spirit high, me can't bow. The truth reveal, Jah show me how. The table turn, the youth them wise. Them find the truth, them open eyes. We chant the songs from long before. The prophecy can't change no more. Zion train a roll, jump on board. The righteous move, the lion roar. The fire blaze, the trumpet sound. The walls of Babylon tumble down. Zion train a roll, no time for wait. We leave behind the wicked state. The sun arise, the blessing flow. The time is now, Jah make we grow. We can't look back, we can't turn round. The journey long, but we Zion bound. The river flow, the mountain high, but Jah guide we by and by. The elders tell me from the past, the wicked reign, but them can't last. The cycle turn, the light no shine. We step in a Zion, the land divine. The youths them march, the drums them beat. We feel the rhythm, we feel the heat. We chant your name, we spread the love. We link with ancestors up above. Me see the victory in our sight. The trumpet sound, the world ignites. We burn the evil, we break the chain. We make sure Babylon feel the pain. No stopping now, we too far gone. We trod the path from dusk till dawn. Them try to lock we down, but we break the chain. We rise up strong, we feel no pain. Them want to blind we, but we see clear. The lion roar, we have no fear. Me see them build up wall, fi keep we out. Me see them poison the truth we doubt, but me spirit high, me stand up firm. The tables turn, no Babylon burn. Me trod the road, me hold me guide. Me walk with Jah, him by me side. No shackle strong, enough fi bind. The people rise, the sun still shine. No chains can hold we spirit free. We rise like mountain, just wait and see. The fire in our soul, it never die. We chant your name, we touch the sky. No chains can hold we, no lock, no key. We burn corruption, we claim with victory. The lion wake, the people strong. We fight for justice all life long. Me see the ghetto youth, them struggle long. Me see them fight, me see them strong. Them nah go bow, them nah go stray. The system try to lead them way. Me see the elders talk the past. Oh Babylon, system never last. Them trick the people, them spread them fear. But Jah truth, I shine right here. Me chant me psalms, me keep the faith. Me know Jah love will change the state. The battle hard, the fight not done, but righteousness soon overcome. No chains can hold we spirit free. We rise like mountain, just wait and see. The fire in our soul, it never die. We chant your name, we touch the sky. No chains can hold we, no lock, no key. We burn corruption, we claim with victory. The lion wake, the people strong. We fight for justice all lifelong. The walls them crumble, the truth reveal. The wounds them heal, the blessings real. No longer lost, no longer blind. The righteous rule, the people shine. The battlefield set, the warriors rise. We look the wicked in them eyes. Them can't stop Jah mighty plan. We take we place, we claim we land. Me see the fire blaze up high, the trumpet sound across the sky. The youth them march, them chant the song. The revolution just begun. The chains them broke, the chains them fall. The people free, we standing tall. No longer slaves, no longer weak. We find we voice, we start to speak. Jah bless we, guide we way. Me hold me faith, me never stray. Me walk with love.